Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Don't make assumptions. Assume nothing. In any type of relationship, we can make the assumption that the others know what we think. We don't have to say what we want. We assume that they're going to know what we want because they know us so well. If they don't do what we want, we feel hurt and we think, how could they do that? They should know. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 277, NASDAQ up 92, S&P's up 34, gold contract up $8.50, trading at $1,326 an ounce. Silver up 52 cents at $18.41 an ounce. Platinum up 30 bucks, $1,009 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.18 a pound. Light sweet crude up $1.72, $49.57 a barrel. Bonds, you have the 10-year note down 9 ticks, 132.31. 30-year bond down 11 ticks, 172.24. The notes and the bonds, folks, refuse to back off these highs. And what that's saying is that this market is doing a dead cat bounce. We're coming up with lighter volume. You get the cash S&P out here at the 2067. I do expect we're going to hit the 2075. We'll see, and we're right next to it right now. I don't expect it today. I expect you're probably going to get into that tomorrow. But that's where I think we're going. Euro. Euro right now is up 4 at 111. King dollar's down 521 ticks at 95.81. You get the yen trading at 102. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. Now, in the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so you have the SPY. We're up $3.56. We've done 92 million shares. You're going into 333 million. Yesterday, we did 159 million. Bottom line, it's a B to a C of a potential ABC down. You come down with volume, monster volume that is, going up with lighter volume, and the SPY itself, I figure the SPY can get up into this 107.78, get about another point higher in the SPY. The thing's going to kind of set up by going right into the long holiday weekend. And it is a bullish occurrence, folks, between window dressing right here and July 4th. Nice little setup all around, counter trend bounce after the downtrend. Next week, I expect you're going to go flip right around and go right back downtown again. The Qs, what do you have with the Qs? Same type of setup. The Qs today, you're up $2. You've done 24 million shares. The Qs actually look like they want to go all the way up to the lows of where we started from, which is 107.62. So we'll see if it handles the 106.50. Today, what we've done is that it's pretty amazing. We've gone to 106.49. Now, if it can click that other 106.50, 2 pennies up, and then either make it or break it, it would be pretty cool, because that would be the test. It hasn't done it yet, but guess what? We get a whole 60 minutes coming into this close to see whether it can test that area. You get above that area, stay above it, that means that you're going to go to the 107.62. You test it, and you back off at 3 or 4 cents, that means that that's the test right then and there. Small caps, what do we have with the small caps? You take a look at the IWM, same type of setup in the small caps. Small caps trading at $1.13. You're up 267. We've done 26 million shares. 26 million is going into 74. Yesterday you did 42. What you want to wrap your head around, it's not just that you have lighter volume. What you're always looking for, what I'm always looking for is that if you're going down, you're coming down with good volume. As you go back up, the first day up, you get decent volume. Next day, less. That's what we have going on in these markets right now, folks. Let's go overseas and take a look at overseas, because this is going to be really intriguing. We know that it was the Leave Britain that basically, took these markets south pretty quickly. Now, check this out. This is going to be intense, because when you look at the European markets, it's actually the UK that looks the best. So the UK, folks, made it all the way back to where they started down from. That was 63.38. We closed at 63.60 today. Now, I won't get the volume until another 4 or 5 hours from now. You know, if it did it on lighter volume, then you have a probability that either way you're going to go up to 64.27 first. That's my take on it. So we're going to go to that level first. We'll see whether it can handle it or not. That being said, what you have is that the DAX in Germany can't go anywhere. The CAT in France can't go anywhere. So the bottom line is that the European Union, Britain leaving, did wonders for its stock market ASAP. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold is trading out here at a price point of 1325.20. You've done 156,000 contracts out here today. What I expect you're going to see with gold is that gold looks to me like, you know, as we come into the end of the week, I expect we're going to back down somewhere around the 1297 area. Nothing heavy, but that's the way it seems to be trading right now. Because when we take a look at it, this is what you have, is that when we went topside, you know, broke a B point, did it with volume. It's a large ABC structure up. That was a huge amount of energy, though, that gets taken out of the marketplace. We did 574,000 contracts. Monday, you did 258,000 contracts. We got to a price point of 1340. Yesterday, we did 196,000 contracts. Today, we did 156. You can see what's happening. As is gold, trying to go higher, it's losing its steam contract-wise. So it's like, you know what? That can back down, get some more cars going, get some more steam under its belt. So that's where my head's going with that. King dollar. Let's go over to King dollar. So King dollar, this is the first day that, well, not the first day. This is the first day since Brexit has happened that the King dollar is not moving with gold. What had happened is that both gold and King dollar were moving higher, and then King dollar and gold were moving lower. And now today, gold's higher, King dollar's lower. Now, this is what the difference is. King dollar has backed down, and the volume's anemic on the back down. So it's like, oh, okay, so King dollar's going to try to make a run higher. That's where my head's going with this thing. So volatility, we got it in spades out here, and you can expect that it's going to stay out here in a big way. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. We have the Dow right now up 282. You get the NASDAQ up 93. S&Ps are up 34. We're going to be right back.